So, hi guys. So, I want to share a wisdom that will change your life forever, and paano kayo mag-interact on a daily basis. So, by stopping watching news. So, since 7 years ago, nung in-stop ko yung pagnood ng balita or news on a daily basis, especially in the morning when you wake up, bubungad na agad sa'yo yung balita, which is kinda scary, and a lot of anxiety is going on in the world. War, drugs, problems, climate change, sobrang daming problem pero no solutions. Sa news kasi or sa balita, you don't get enough information. You just get a lot of problem with no solution. Kasi we don't need news every day. Yung mga balita na nangyayari ngayon is which is loop, which is paulit-ulit lang. Yung nakawan or yung banggaan at saka patayan na nababalita ngayon is nangyari na siya nung unang panahon, nung last year, last month, and last day, which is paulit-ulit. And ang different lang is sa ibang tao na nangyari sa ibang locations or sa ibang time, which is unnecessary to intake sa atin. So, ang sinasabi ko dito is that sa story ko kasi, hindi naman nag-stop kami or napilitan kami na hindi itigil yung news, is that nasiraan kami ng TV and wala kami television na mapapanooran that we can watch a news or balita. And for the last years of my life, na ang tanong dito is that pag tinigil mo ba yung pagnood ng news, is that mapag-iiwanan ka na and hindi ka mababalitaan kapag may masamang nangyari or natural disaster that will come, or a huge typhoon. My answer is yes, may mga time na mapag-iiwanan, but most of the time is hindi ko naman siya kailangan on a daily basis. And if it's really important, kung talagang importante yung balita, is mababalitaan ako dun sa event na yun. Like, halimbawa, sa typhoon, may bagyo, maririnig ko lang siya sa kapitbahay ko. And most of the time, ang kailangan lang naman natin yung news ng balita is weather update. That's all. Pero it's a little bit controversial, and lahat kayo you don't agree with this, but most of the time kasi when I'm watching news, yes, it's a simple problem pero ginagawa nila ng mas ginagawa nila exaggeration or dramatic. So meron kasi formulation ng media na kailangan exaggeration and very OA para hook yung attention natin na panoorin yung bagay na yun, and which is not very good. Sa media kasi is that kung binibigay lang nila yung dapat mong makita pero hindi nila binibigay or hindi nila binibigay yung dapat na i-consume mo. Media kasi or news is one-sided story. So very one-sided siya. Hindi mo mapakikinggan yung other side ng story. Kaya kakaroon ka ng galit sa tao, galit sa community, galit sa government, which is in reality, news lang ang nagpapalala nun. And may tito ako na Japanese, which is asawa ng tita ko. Sa Japan daw is that ayaw nilang pumunta sa Pilipinas kasi napaka-dangerous daw ng Pilipinas, marami nakawan, lots of traffic, etc. is pangit yung Pilipinas. So, ganun din tayo sa ibang bansa. We perceive information the wrong way and magkakaroon ng mga stereotypes and nagbibigay lang ng negativity And maling information most of the time is yung news. And bago ko tapusin yung video na to is that we are so afraid in the future na nagkaroon tayo ng anxiety, frustrations sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa mundo. And baka mag-end of the world na, crisis, climate change, AI, technology, na baka mapag-iwanan tayo soon. And lots of negativity in the world. But all we need is a positive. Being positive, you know. Kasi if you want to be happy, and being a present in the moment, so stop watching news and enjoy your